Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through my everyday makeup drawer, clean it all out, and shop my stash for new products for the next month. I've been trying to alternate how I'm doing shop my stashes between YouTube Shorts videos and full big videos like this, because if I did a shop my stash every month as like a main kind of video like this, I would basically have the same 4 videos go up every single month since I only have one main video a week. But since I'm trying to do more shorts videos at least once a week as well, I thought I could alternate these, have 1 month be a shop my stash via shorts, 1 month be a shop my stash via a main video, and so on and so forth. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know down below which format you like better, and let's jump into the drawers. Welcome to my everyday makeup basket. It is quite a mess. I haven't actually done like a full, refresh, take everything out, shop my stash, and put everything back in probably like a month and a half, maybe 2 months. So we're in desperate need of a refresh here. First, I'm going to pull out all of the products from my Petty Project pan because I do want to keep them in here. So we have the primer, the eyeshadows, and the highlighter. And if you missed that intro, I'll throw that video up in the cards. This is new, so I do want to keep this in here. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo CC Cream. It's their brand new hydrating version of the Camo CC Cream. So I'll put that to the side. This container I don't like. I'm probably just going to take this out. But these 2 loose powders I'm going to put back into my collection because I'm not using powder as much lately. And when I want to reach for a powder, it's like 2 drawers down. So I just open up the powder drawer. So probably not going to pull a powder for an everyday makeup basket. Let's finish up here. Okay. And next I have the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. I use this quite a bit, and I do enjoy it. I'm actually surprised that I enjoy these shades, but it's time to switch this out because I did just pick up some new blushes over here that I'm super excited about. All right, let's see. All of these, there's so many foundations. The Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream, I'm going to leave it in here because I'm so close to just finishing it. So I kind of just want to finish this, so I'll leave it there. The rest of these I'm going to rotate back into my foundation drawer. I've got the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream, the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth, the Dior Air Flash, the L'Oreal True Match Nude, and the, actually, I didn't really use this one as much, the A20 Lab. This is the Shop Masse brand, the Soft Matte Foundation. I haven't really used this as much, so I'll keep that one as well. Okay, so over here, so what actually happened is that this used to be a full container that had 8 sections, and then I broke the divider over here. So now this is a big section, and we have container or like sections over here, and I actually like it better that way. So in my ideal world, I would do like concealers here, blush, bronzer, contour, everything brow and eye here, and then everything else that's not a big face product here. So I think we're going to do that. So I've got the NYX Glitter Glue. This is going to stay, but I'll move it over there. These, I think I'm going to keep these because these are really my only cream bronzer and contours, and I really, really like them. The NYX Wonder Stick and the Wet n Wild Dual-Ended Contour Stick. This is the eye primer I'm currently using, the Urban Decay Primer Potion and Sin. Alright, let's grab some stuff to swap out. I need to swap out this concealer. I've been using it nonstop. I love this concealer. It's the Armani Luminous Silk Concealer, and it's like one of my holy grail concealers, but I need to reach for some other concealers, so we're going to swap this one out. I've got the Natasha Denona concealer. It's like okay. I feel like it's like the Armani, but not as good, so I keep reaching for the Armani over this one. And then I have the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer. I actually really like this one. I'm surprised at how much I like it. But again, I kind of want to swap these out and bring in some different concealers. Okay, as far as color correctors go, for e.l.f., I have a yellow and I have the salmon color corrector. The salmon color corrector is just okay. I feel like it doesn't layer well with concealer, so it's just like an okay option. I have those other ones I like better. The yellow color corrector is terrible. Like, it keeps drying out my skin and it looks blotchy and patchy, and I really don't like it. So we're going to swap these out. I'm going to leave this one in. This is the Ulta Color Correcting Concealer in Pink Rose. I haven't really used it a whole lot, so I want to keep testing that out. I'm going to swap out the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. I should really glue this in here because I kind of want to keep it like that, but we're moving. We're grooving. All right, we're moving most of these blushes out. I have the Milani Cheek Kiss and Cheeky Coral. I have 2 mini Rare Beauty highlight or blushes in the shades Peace and Hope. I have 2 Fenty cream blushes in the shades Fuego Flush and Peach Face. I have the Benefit Boxed Blush in Butterfly. I really like this blush. It is so pretty, but I'm definitely reaching for more liquid and cream blushes over powder. This is a loose blush from Crow and Pebble. And then these are the new blushes I am so excited about. These are the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blushes, and I got the shades... Oh, I can't read that, my eyes. All right, these are the shades Peach Perfect and Gorge Orange. I had to look them up because I can't read the bottom of this container, but I used Peach Perfect yesterday and it's beautiful. It blends out wonderfully and it's a perfect shade for my cheeks. I'm shocked. Are they plowing outside? The orange one I have not tried yet, so I'm gonna keep both of these in so that we can test them out. Now for this last kind of hot mess section. This was a Sephora birthday gift, the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine. I've only used it a couple of times. It's really cute, so I'll swap this back to my lip drawer. Okay, this was also the Sephora birthday gift. This is the brow lamination gel from Patrick Ta, and to be frank, I just haven't reached for it yet because I love the Got2b brow gel too much. Damn, I think they're plowing outside. So for brow products, I have quite a few in here. This is actually a liner. I'm gonna swap out the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow gel. I love the like color and tone of this, but it's like a messy formula. So whenever I put it on, I feel like flecks of it get on my foundation and it's a pain to clean up, but I really like the color and how it looks. So I'm gonna swap this back into my drawer for now. This one I just opened. This is the AOA Studio Tinted Brow Fix Gel in the shade Ebony. And I've only used it like once. So I want to leave it in so I can keep testing that. And then I'm shocked by how much I love this brow product. This is the NYX Zero to Brow. And it's like the most unique, like, I don't know, it's kind of almost a doe foot applicator. I love the color. I love the tone. I love the way it applies. I love this spoolie. It's like the fluffiest, most comfortable spoolie I've ever used. And I keep using this too, but I wanna keep it in here. So I'm gonna keep this as well. I forgot. Obviously keeping in my Got2b brow gel. I love this to pieces and I use it basically until it dries out. For mascaras, I have 3 in here. I think it's time to move out the Benefit They're Real and the Fan Fest. I wasn't a huge fan of either of these. Like I had some good days with them, bad days with them, but I feel like when you don't set your concealer, these transfer pretty badly. So I'm gonna call these empties because I've used them for a couple of months now. And I just opened this yesterday. This is the new Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect, so it's the same as the green bottle, but it's a brown shade. I've only used this once. I'm excited about it. So I'm going to keep this and keep testing it out. And last but not least, we have one more new product. This is the NYX Epic Smoke Liner. It's called White Smoke, but this was like a nice light, like off-white shade that I thought would be perfect in the waterline. So I also want to keep this and test it out, but I'm probably not going to use the smoky part because I like using these kind of liners in my waterline. Okay, we are good in here. So let me put everything back in that I know I'm going to keep, and then we'll go shop my stash. Okay, so the focus for the month is going to be on concealer, and you know what? I feel like maybe we could bring in like a face palette or two. All right, here we have color correctors, powders, concealers, and pressed powders. So for concealer, what am I feeling? You know, now that I have the Hydrating Camo CC Cream, I kind of want to try it with the Camo Concealer. So let's pull that. And then let's do like one more concealer. Let's do the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots. This is in the shade... This is in the shade 12. 12 is one that actually works on my under eyes. Okay. Alright, these are my face palettes. Let's see. You know, I feel like bringing the Park Avenue Princess palette from Tarte I think that'd be fun to use. Let's grab this one. And then and I think that's it for here. Let's move on to individual products. Okay, here are all of my individual bronzers and contours. So I have, I have the bronzer palette from Tarte and I have the cream bronzer. So I feel like we are okay here. This is my highlighter drawer, and I am panning a highlighter. I forgot to mention, or forgot to keep in mind, products that are in the Petty Project pan. So since I have a highlighter there, I'm probably not going to pull out another one. Debating whether I want to bring in a liquid or a cream highlight. Yeah, you know what? I will pull in this Revolution Bright Light highlighter. Here we have blushes, and since I already have those two liquid blushes from e.l.f. that I'm trying, I'm thinking maybe we just pull in a powder blush. But which one am I feeling? This is kind of a mess of a drawer. I was just thinking the other day about the butter blushes from Physicians Formula, so I'm thinking maybe this one. I have the Cover FX. Though I do like that one. Or for old time's sake, Milani Luminoso. I'm kind of feeling Luminoso. All right, let's do Luminoso. Should I also do the butter? This is a matte one. Yeah, why not? We'll pull in the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Mauve Mattes, and then Milani Luminoso. So these are all my lipsticks and lip glosses. I've definitely pared down this drawer a lot. And since this is right next to my everyday makeup drawer, because my everyday makeup drawer is like right there, I feel like I don't need to pull anything, because whenever I want to wear something, I just open this drawer and pull it out. And honestly, I'm really just sticking to like glosses. I really like these Yummy glosses from CoverGirl. That and just like lip balms. So I think we're good here. These are all of my individual shadows, like cream, liquid. These has the rest of my single shadows in there. And then eyeshadow primers. I already have a primer. And then again, this is right next to my everyday makeup drawer. So when I feel like pulling out a Stila Glitter and Glow, I just open the drawer and grab it. So I feel like we're also okay. Okay, getting down to eyeshadow palettes. I feel like I just introduced my Pan That palette. I still have the Morphe palette from last year, and I've got some single shadows. So I feel like I'm probably not going to pull a palette from here, though I am going to grab the Natasha palette from like my new releases drawer, and let's not make a mess, and put it in here, because I feel like I've used it enough to get an idea and I don't need to keep it in that drawer anymore. So these are all of like my luxury palettes, mainly Natasha Denona. Let's see, are there any of these? These are all of my like more affordable drugstore palettes. These are all of my like mid-range, more leaning indie palettes. And these are all of my like mid-range kind of regular, I don't want to say like regular palettes, but more mainstream mid-range palettes. I've been really thinking about Lorac. I kind of want to pull out the Lorac Pro, specifically for the shimmers. I think they would go really nicely with the palettes that I already have out. So let me grab that one. And then this Pure palette is actually what I was thinking for a different video. So I'm going to pull this out because I need to take a picture of it for a video, but probably not going to keep it in my everyday drawer. Didn't really use this Naked palette much. Okay, and I think we are good here. All right, and there we have it, a nice, cleaned up and refreshed everyday makeup drawer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you're using in your everyday makeup drawer this month, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.